So it's officially fall and I'm back. So I'm really excited to show you guys these DIYs that I put together for you. And I'm really excited for you guys to see me decorate my room and give you guys inspiration on how to decorate your room for the fall time. I'm really excited to upload more videos like this. So feel free to comment down below any video ideas that you have. And don't forget to follow my social medias. If you're recreating any of these DIYs, make sure you send them my way on my Snapchat, Instagram. I will list those down below. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for this fall leaf light garland DIY, all you're gonna need is some brown wired Christmas lights and some fake fall leaves. This is a really easy DIY. All I did is put the leaves in between the wire, and I repeated that till I went all through the lights. So once I finished with that, I put them above my bed's headboard, and I went ahead and lit them up, and they look even better with the lights off. For this give thanks wood art, all you're going to need is some paint, wood blocks, pencil, and paintbrushes. So you're going to start off by tracing the words out, give and thanks, and it's pretty easy as well. I just made mine in cursive letters, and I went over it with some acrylic paint, which was brown because brown and orange are kind of Thanksgiving colors, I think. I went ahead and cleaned my nightstand to put these things on there. For this fall block DIY, I'm not sure how to name it, but all you're going to need is some wooden blocks, some paint brushes, and acrylic paint. So you're going to start off by adding a little dot of paint onto your wood block and distributing that throughout them. I went with two colors, green and orange, because that's fall colors. I went ahead and took a smaller paintbrush and painted on the letters fall, F-A-L-L, of course. Once you're done with that, you can place those on your nightstand anywhere you desire to put them. There you go. For this DIY festive pumpkin, you're just going to need a pumpkin, some paintbrushes, and acrylic paint as well. So I first went ahead and went on the internet and looked for pumpkin designs, which I found, and I just decided to recreate one of those, but it didn't come out how I wanted it to, so I just went with the word boo, and I added some metallic paint to make it look cuter. Then by my TV, I just placed a little owl bucket, a little fox bowl that I got at Walmart with candy, and I went ahead and put a little pumpkin and put some little leaves on there. And that is all for my fall video this year. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I will be posting more fall videos. Make sure to like this video if you liked it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I actually got photography lights. I don't know if you guys noticed that. I don't know if you can see it. Oh man.